Hey amazing people, Heidi Cooper here, functional medicine practitioner, licensed esthetician from Skin Side Out. Today I want to talk about sunscreens and the 4 ingredients that you do not want in your sunscreens. I do feel like there culturally has been an overemphasis on sunscreens to protect the skin from sun damage, helping to prevent skin cancer. And although I do believe that they have their place, I believe that there's also a whole other component to skin health and making sure that the skin is healthy, working with things externally to help with the skin health, and then of course nourishing the skin from an internal standpoint, from the inside out, and creating amazing skin health that way as well. So that being said, would never want anybody to be outside frying out in the sun all day without any sort of sun protection. So here are 4 ingredients that you want to look for and make sure that they're not in your sunscreen. Number 1 is oxybenzone. So that's an ingredient that is linked to hormone disruption. It's something that in Hawaii has been banned because it causes damage to the coral reefs. And all of these ingredients that I'm giving you the information about, I'm going to link the studies below so that you can take a little deeper dive into some of that if you would like as well. So that's number 1. Number 2 is homosalate. And that's something also that has been proven to be cytotoxic, a potential hormone disruptor. The next one would be avobenzone, and that creates photosensitivity or irritation on the skin. So here's the interesting thing, is the very thing that we're wanting to prevent with the sunscreen, the damage and the potential cancer risk, a lot of these ingredients are actually creating more of an issue for us. So that's really something to consider. That was number 3. Number 4, the last ingredient on our list, is retinol palmitate. And that is something that we actually find not only in sunscreens but in other products as well. And the retinol palmitate can be a real irritating product, can be an irritant to the skin and create a lot of inflammation. But in mice it was actually found to create tumors as well. So once again, something that we're looking at to be a prevention in that regard is not going to be helpful at all if we've got something like the retinol palmitate. So I'm going to put a link below to a product, a mineral sunscreen that I've worked with that is free of all of those ingredients if you're interested in something, in a suggestion. However, just make sure that you're working with something that does not have these ingredients in it. We don't want to be absorbing toxic ingredients. We want to be working with things that are nourishing and healthful and are going to help with the health of the skin overall. So hope that was helpful for you. Please like and share this post if it was. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. If you would like some more information, put sunscreen down in the comments and we'll try to get some more information to you. So health and happiness, have a super fantastic day. Thanks so much.